In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable WebGPU in Firefox 141 on Windows. If you're using Firefox 141 on a Windows computer, you'll be glad to know that WebGPU is already enabled by default on most supported systems. However, if you visit a website that reports WebGPU isn't available, you can quickly verify whether the feature is enabled by checking one of Firefox's advanced settings. I'll walk you through the process so you can confirm everything is configured correctly. Start by opening Mozilla Firefox on your Windows computer. Once the browser is open, click the address bar at the top, type About, Config, and then press Enter on your keyboard. A warning page may appear with a message such as Proceed with caution or Accept the risk and continue. This page provides access to Firefox's advanced preferences. Since we're only checking a specific setting, simply click the button to continue to the configuration page. When the page opens, click the search box at the top and type DOM, WebGPU.enabled. Firefox will immediately locate the preference you're looking for, making it easy to find without scrolling through the full list of settings. Now, look at the value displayed next to this preference. If the value is already set to true, that means WebGPU is enabled and no further changes are necessary. In that case, you can simply close the page and continue using Firefox as normal. If the value is set to false instead, double-click the preference to change it from false to true. This enables the WebGPU feature so compatible websites and applications can use it. After making the change, close Firefox completely and then reopen the browser. Restarting Firefox ensures that the updated setting is applied correctly before you try using WebGPU again. Once Firefox has reopened, you can return to the website that previously reported WebGPU wasn't available and check whether the feature is now working as expected. If your computer supports WebGPU and the setting has been enabled successfully, the website should now recognize it. That's all there is to it. As you can see, checking and enabling WebGPU in Firefox 141 on Windows only takes a few moments. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,